Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about writing figures in standard form and writing figures in ordinary forms. Standard forms to ordinary numbers and ordinary numbers to standard form. What is standard form of writing, you may ask? Standard form is a way of writing large and very small figures as power of 10. Let's check these powers of 10 out. 10 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 10 raised to the power of 1 is 10. 10 raised to the power of 2, 10 times 10 is 100. 10 raised to the power of 3, 10 times 10 times 10 is 1000. 10 raised to the power of 4, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is 10,000. Now, let's take our first example. Express 0.000435 in standard form. Here's the first rule to observe. When writing in standard form, your integer must always fall between 1 and 10. So that means your integer has to be in ones only. Then, when you're converting a very large number, most of the time bigger than 1, your power of 10 will be positive. But when you're converting a very small number, most of the time decimals, that means your power of 10 will be negative. So the first thing you ask yourself is, the number I'm converting, is it smaller than 1 or bigger than 1? In this case, it is smaller than 1 because my integer here is 0. And then the rest is in decimal point. So that means it's actually smaller than 1. So I'm going to put that at the back of my mind, that my standard form, the power of 10 will be negative. So let's go. So I'm converting 0.000435 into standard form. I need to make sure that my integral is ones. So I'm going to move this 1, 2, 3, 4. So my decimal point had moved to 4.35 times 10 raised to the power of a negative number, because I know that the number I am converting is negative. So it's a negative number. So I'm going to write how many times I moved my decimal place. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I actually moved it 4 times. So it's going to be raised to the power of negative 4. And I am done. Here's our second example. Express 4570000 in standard form. So if I want to say this number, I put my commas 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma. So it's 4,570,000. So I want to convert this to standard form. So I'm going to write that again. 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that when you're converting a number bigger than 1, your power of 10 will be positive. So I already know my power of 10 will be positive. After every whole number, there's an invisible decimal point that has to be moved, so my integer is just 1 in the ones place. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need it to just be a single number. So my final answer is 4.57. All zeros after decimal points is insignificant, so I won't write it. 4.57 times 10 raised to the power of a positive number. Because it's positive, I don't need to write the positive. Any number without a sign is always a positive number. So by power of 10 will be how many times I moved my decimal point. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I moved it 6 times. So my final answer is 4.57 times 10 raised to the power of 6, and I'm done.